Coming to the lab 8 of interfacing, that is programming 7 segment display. So the first task is to power up the segments in this following order, that is from A to G with 0.5 seconds delay between each segment. Then we need to power up all the segments for 2 seconds and then turn off all the segments. For that, these are the calculations that are made. This is the logic truth table for the segments. That is for A, it is FE, for B, it is FD, for C, it is FB, and so on. And finally, for G, it is BF. And to light up all the segments at a time, we'll use 0, 0. And DP is the decimal point that we are not using in this exercise, so it is set to 1. So the next task is to display the characters in this pattern, that is from 0 to F. Here B, C, D are in lowercase and A, E, F are in uppercase. And each character will have a 0.5 seconds delay in between them. And for this, these are the calculations that are made. So this is the logic truth table for the characters. So that is 0, for 0 it is C0, for 1 it is F9, for 2 it is A4, for 3 it is B0, and so on. And finally for F it is 8E. Next, coming to the program. So this is the main function. Here the port B is set to output, and that is indicated by 0. Next, the light up segment function will run. So let me go to the function here. Here these are the values that we have calculated, that is for A to G, and these are stored in an array called segments. Next, in this light up segment function, this for loop will display each segment for half a second, and then all the segments will light up for 2 seconds, and finally turn off all the segments. Next, coming to the display pattern function, here these are the values that we have calculated, and these are stored in an array called characters. So in the display pattern function, here we have a infinite while loop. Inside that we have a for loop that will run from 0 to 15, that is 16 characters, that it should display the characters from 0 to F. So this while loop will wait until RE2 is low, then the characters will be displayed with a 0.5 seconds delay continuously. But when RE2 is 1, it will stop and will continuously display a single character until the RE2 is low. So this is the program. Now coming to the circuit, this is a 7 segment display. Here each segment is connected with the 470 ohm resistor, and another end of the resistor is connected to the port B, that is from RB0 pin till RB6 pin. So for example, the segment A is connected to RB0, segment B is connected to RB1, and segment C is connected to RB2, and so on. And this wire is the voltage wire which is connected to the 11th pin on the microcontroller. Now let me build the program. So build is succeeded. Now let me upload the program. So program is uploaded. So let me restart again. So now each segment should display with 0.5 seconds delay, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all the segments will display for 0.2 for 2 seconds, and it will turn off. Again, if I restart, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all segments for 2 seconds, and it will turn off. Now if I press and hold the button, it should start the characters from 0 to F. So now if I press and hold 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 A B C D E F, and again it will restart. So now if I remove my finger from the button, it will stop at a specific number, that is, in our case it is 9. Now it will continuously display 9 till I press the button. Now when I press the button, it should resume, that is, the next character should be A, B, C, and so on. So now I press, and now if I press and hold again, A, B, C, D, E, F, again if I remove my finger from the button, it will stop at 4, and now it should resume from 4. The next character should be 5, 6, and so on. So now if I press and hold, so again if I remove my finger, again if I press and hold, so this is the lab 8 of interfacing, that is programming 7-segment display. Thank you for watching.